Hi guys, you are at home with Mateo. Dahan-dahan lang kitang aawitan, sinta ko sa pagsapit ng dilim na tayo'y magkapiling o sa himig na ito ako ay matututong ipagkatiwala sa iyo ang buong ako. So, I used my music stuff as an outlet lang. Walang muka, walang pangalan, my real name, walang anything. Nag-release lang ako ng music as a passion project. And it started with the first song, which was Ilalim. And I'm really grateful na kahit wala siyang promotions, walang marketing behind it, nagpinost ko lang siya. And then a week later, 2 weeks later, it became #1 sa Viral 50 ng Spotify, which I'm not trying to brag about it, but I'm just really grateful for it. And that's how it happened. And that's how, I guess, it grew on me again to start doing music. So, alam mo yun, parang in a sense, ayoko naman sabihin that way, such a dark way of saying it, pero pinatay ko na yung pangarap na yun, pero binuhay ulit ng God, the universe, or whoever we believe in. Binuhay siya, ang pangarap ko. Hayaang palunod sa iyong pagtingin, hati-alay ang lahat sa lalim ng gabi. Actually, the last song was called Forever. It's about unconditional love, whatever happens, and it's gonna happen forever. Pero kaya naging forever kasi, actually, funny story, dapat ngayon at magpakailanman yung kanta. Pero, when I was writing the demo, playfully, I just said forever. And then it ended up being the title. And wala lang, quirky way of, since it's a fun love song, it's a quirky way of, I guess, having a unique title of what forever is. Since marami na rin namang kailanman, ngayon at magpakailanman, forever, habang buhay. So why not forever? Ha, 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 ha. Bumabalik sa iyong piling sa bawat lisan ng tampuhan. Ngayon at magpakailanman, ngayon at magpakailanman. On November 28th, I'll be releasing also a composition by my uncle. It's called, I'm sure everyone knows this, Sana Ngayong Pasko. It's my own rendition of the Christmas classic. And ayun, that is it for the year. And there's more to come. I've been writing a lot of music. I probably have, hopefully I could release a compilation in the future. But I'd like to continue making music for basically as long as I'm living. And that's my goal, to keep, I think that's my success metric, is that at the end of the day, at the end of this career, I'm still passionate about it. Ha, 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 ha. you guys can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music. Basically everywhere, just search Mateo. Mateo Music yun usually lalabas. But specifically sa Instagram and TikTok, it's mateo.mgo. I announce gigs, I announce releases, I announce everything there. And ayun, magbalitaan na lang tayo dun. Magpakailanman, magpakailanman, magpakailanman.